Today, I'm sharing one of the quickest Japanese dishes you can make. Hiyayakko, Japanese called tofu. Just chilled tofu with simple toppings. But here's the secret. Great Bonito flakes make all the difference. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bonito, bringing the power of umami to your table. As the weather gets warmer, this is a perfect dish to have. Today, I'll show you 3 easy and delicious ways to enjoy hiyayakko. Number 1. Classic green onion, ginger and bonito. This is the most classic version that everyone loves. Chop the green onion, grate the ginger. Drain the tofu and place it on a plate. Top with green onion, ginger, and plenty of bonito flakes. Drizzle soy sauce and enjoy. Here is Dr. Bonito's tip. You can use firm tofu or soft tofu or even silky tofu. Just choose what you like. My favorite is firm tofu. For this classic combination, find your own combination of the type of the tofu and toppings. This is the most popular combination in Japan, like tofu, enhanced by the aroma of bonito, Japanese hiyayakko. Number 2, tomato and avocado, global by Japanese fusion. Now, let's bring in familiar ingredients. Place tofu on a plate, add tomatoes and avocado. Drizzle olive oil, salt, and a little soy sauce. Finish with plenty of bonito flakes. Dr. Bonito's insight. Tomatoes contain glutamate. Bonito flakes contain inosmate. When these combine, umami doesn't just add, it multiplies. And the olive oil, it chapters the aroma of bonito and coats the tofu beautifully. Number 3. Tsuna okaka, rich and satisfying. This one is made with century ingredients. Place tofu on a plate. Add drained tuna on top. Sprinkle onion and nori. Finish with bonito flakes. Drizzle soy sauce and sesame oil. Here is the point. Tuna plus bonito equal umami layering. Rich, satisfying, and even kids love this flavor. So today, we made 3 types of hiyayakko. Same tofu, completely different experience. From simple and classic, to fresh and global, to rich and satisfying, all with one key ingredient, bonito flakes. Try your favorite combination and enjoy the difference. I'm Dr. Bonito, and I'll see you in the next world of umami. Have a flavorful day.